We have the Jaguar XF, and this is an aluminium intensive vehicle. It uses a mix of product forms. There are rolled components, there are extruded components, there are cast components. And actually this vehicle is a mix of steel and aluminium. With the bonnet we have a rolled sheet inner and a rolled sheet outer, which are joined, in this case with a mechanical joining method called SPR, self-pierce riveting, and it is a steel rivet that's forced into the material to create a button on the backside, and that creates a strong mechanical joint. On this particular car there will be several thousand rivets in the whole vehicle. Under bonnet on the vehicle you can see a great application of using aluminium as a casting. You can see it's painted so it looks no different to the rest of the body. This is a critical part of the structure because the suspension links into this part of the vehicle, so we need very high stiffness in the component, but also what the casting allows us to do is integrate a number of components together. Another example of where we use aluminium on a vehicle are the wheels. In this case they're painted black, but underneath they're actually a die casting. Another product form that I can't show on the car because there's no direct visual reference but are actually used in the structure are extruded components, and it's a different process to casting and rolling. In extruding, the metal aluminium billet is actually forced through a die to create continuous section. That finds its way into certain applications on a vehicle, for example bumper beams. Typically that's an area where extruded sections, aluminium sections are used. We have a long-term project called Real Car, which stands for Recycled Aluminium Car, and that project has been looking at how we can increase the recycled content of the aluminium that goes into the final product, and the XF actually does contain some of the aluminium we've developed on the back of that project with an increased recycled content. We developed a specific alloy, but it's allowed us to change the chemistry to allow a higher quantity of recycled aluminium to be utilised. It's a structural alloy, but in this case the alloy we developed is hidden away, but it has found its way onto this vehicle, and equally it's used in the Jaguar XE and in the Jaguar F-Pace.